Well, we just got into our spot here this morning. There's the moose. Here's our double dodge blind. The hood makes a great rifle rest. And there's our successful hunter this morning. Tell us about the hunt this morning, Ken.
Well, what happened was we went that way. There was nothing out there. We thought we'd go down the road to another spot. We come along here and we look and we saw a black thing coming right at us. So we said, I like moose meat. So we shot it.
And it charged us. We didn't have a choice.
It did. It shot and it was mad at us, I guess, and just heading right for us. And game over.
There you have it, folks.
One shot.
Double bull, eat your heart out. We got double dodge.
Here we are, early morning. What was it, 3 minutes into the hunt? By the way, Marson, we're going to need the ATV to get it to the road.
I think you're right. This looks like too big a job for us.
40 yards away. Come on. So here she is. The antlers aren't that big,
But boy, is that head heavy, eh?
it'll do.